Take better videos with your smartphone with the Smooth Q Gimbal. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have the Smooth Q Gimbal by Zhiyun. You can pick this up online for $99 and I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q for smartphones. It's a 3-axis stabilizer and it can fit most of the popular smartphones out there. Inside the box, it comes with a very nice carrying case. It's padded well inside to protect your gimbal. It has a user guide, a micro USB cord for charging, and a tripod stand. The gimbal is fairly light and has a plastic construction all around. It feels well made. This is a 3-axis. You have one axis here, another one on the side, and another axis on the back. The controls are fairly simple. You have a joystick type button to control the camera movements, LED indicators on the top for battery and power, the record button, the power button, and the toggle switch to zoom. On the side you have the micro USB port for charging. The battery lasts up to 12 hours. The bottom has attachments for your tripod. You also have a USB port on the side for connecting to computers for updates. Installing the phone is simple. You just expand the holder, which is spring-loaded, and slide the phone right in. On the back is a knob to calibrate the balance. If you turn it on and the phone is not balancing correctly, just adjust the knob. Once you turn on the gimbal, it will begin to balance the phone. So let's see how it does taking video. You will need to download the Zhiyun app, which will allow you to control the phone. It controls it via Bluetooth. I will not go over all the features of the app since there are many, but it's fairly easy to navigate and use. I also highly recommend reading the manual before using the gimbal to familiarize yourself with all the functions. Now I have the gimbal on and you can see how easy it is to rotate, pan to the side, and move the camera up and down. The joystick is very responsive. This first set of videos, you can see the handheld on the left and the Smooth Q in action on the right. Immediately you can notice the difference. It's very stable with the gimbal. Now walking up the steps and then down the steps. It's very smooth and easy to balance. Now this footage is a very brisk walk. Stability is not affected at all, and it has a nice effect. And finally, just walking up some rocks and some more steps. the Zhiyun Smooth Q Smartphone Gimbal. I'm very impressed with this gimbal, and it definitely will take your videos to another level. Operation is very easy, but as mentioned earlier, you should read the instructions first before operating it to familiarize yourself with all the features. This is definitely worth a look if you take a lot of video, and the price is a bargain. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.